Sweethearts, welcome to the cool dance tutorial for Last Christmas by Glee cast. Of course, the song was originally made famous by the one and only George Michael and Wham. So let's get started. So we're going to start with a little bachata step. So still side to side grapevine. We're going to start to the right. We're just going to do a grapevine here. And then when we get to the side, we're just going to get a little hip there. It's really just a tap of the foot tap, but you can add a hip as well. So just nice salsa arms. Ta, ta, ba, ba, ta, ta. Again. Ta, 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 ta. I'll show that face in the front. We go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Adding that hip. Bum, 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. So 4 times right and left. Right now is the chorus. We're going to take it up to the mirror, starting with that right foot. We're just going to do a walk, front and back. 4 times front, 4 times back. We go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That just repeats, and we have different arms. So we start first. Last Christmas, we go to the heart, and we give the heart. Then we take it up again. The very next day, what? You gave it away. Little push away hands. Then this year, we're going to swim up to save me from tears, cry tears, open the arms, and then close them back here. So let's do that face in the front. Same step, right starts, and then back same way. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swimming. 1, 2, 3. Cries. 5, 6. Open the arms. Give it to someone special. Right here. And we're going to see that chorus throughout the entire stretch song. All right, now time for a little stretch. We're going to take an inhale up, plie the legs, arms come out, inhale. Exhale down. Again, inhale. Exhale down. Start with the shoulders. Shoulders roll back. Elbows roll back, and the arms roll back a little bit slower. 7 and 8 repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to push away, push, and we're going to contract that back as we push that back. Nice round back, and we're going to stretch up nice and tall as we bring the arms up. We're going to open the arms. We're going to take a stretch over to the right first. Stretch that arm here. And then switch and stretch the arm to the other side. Walk it in and get ready. Great. After our first stretch, we take it right back into the chorus. Take it up again with the right foot. Last Christmas, you gave me my heart. We do that 4 times. We get back to that side bachata grapevine step for 4 as well. 4. Ta, 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 ta. 3. And 2 more, right, left, and we get into our second stretch. We open those arms nice and wide, hands on the table, and we come down to the right side to a nice right side lunge. We're going to flip the angle. We're going to go onto the left toe. We're going to open up that right arm, and we're going to look up to the hands. And we're going to bring it down. We're going to slowly walk it over to the other side to the left. We're going to flip to a left lunge, long back leg. Open up that left arm, look up to the hands. Bring it down, and we're going to walk to the middle and open both knees. Get a nice stretch here of the inner thigh. We're going to push against on those knees gently. Good, then we're going to drop that shoulder. Right shoulder drops. We switch left shoulder drops. And we take a forward stretch, and we're going to take the toes to the mirror. Pop. Stretch the legs, palms down to the mirror, or wherever you can go. Here is fine. Just drop the head. Release. You head a little no, a little yes. And we're going to push, roll up, and walk those feet in one more time. Again, we're right back into that chorus. We're going to do it one more time and show it facing the front, and we're ending with that bachata step. So we go. Last Christmas. Start with that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. What? You gave it away. And flick, flick, swing to the mirror. 1, 2, 3, cry. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. Give it to someone. 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats. One more time to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give a nice little bow. You finished class. Great job. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.